Hey everyone, this is Dr. Pickens. How to use Chromebook and how to log into your Chromebook. For those of you that heard me later, a lot of this will be reviewed, will be new information. Also, you go over as well. What you need to do is to log into your Chromebook. So you're going to open your screen, and it should take you to a page. If not, you'll need to press power. When you log into your Chromebook, all of this information will be in a paper handout. This is Casey, so you don't need to worry about memorizing all of this, but we're just going to it, and then you'll be able to look to kind of take you step by step through it. Your username or email to the Chromebook is your last name, first initial, at www.k12.us, and this last here, the WWCS12INUS, that's at the bottom of the screen as well, so if you need to choose the letter, it's at the bottom of the screen, and it's also on your hand. So for me, it is Pickens, K, wwcs.in.us. Your password is HS1234, and at a certain point, you'll be able to change your password, but for now, get used to the Chromebook, we're just going to all keep a uniform password. For those that had Chromebooks last year, the password will be the same password you used last year. It hasn't been changed. Okay, so you to a login. This is your first time logging into Chromebook. It's going to ask an icon. At a certain point, you'll be able to take pictures and personalize your background, stuff like that. For today, we're short on time, so you'll have to wait till time in class. I'm going to take you through some help to teach the Chromebook. Close out of that for now because we'll just move on to that's going to take you to your for your Chromebook. Just roll your mouse to the bottom of and that's going to take you at the left. It's going to take you through a couple different options. At the far left, you have your apps, and if you click on that, that's going to take you through all the programs that you can use on this computer. And it also, the Google Store, you can use to download some free apps, but please wait until we do that. Or if you need a app for a project that you're working in class, please just Mrs. Casey or I if you can download it. And I've usually been pretty flexible about that, and last students were really good about asking to download apps in advance. Okay, the next thing you have is your Gmail function. You're not going to use Gmail, so you don't need to worry. One more, the circle icon that you have there is your Google browser. Everything is through the Google browser. It's internet and stuff. So that's your option for Google Chrome. And the one on the far right is your Google Drive, and this is where all your documents are kept. Okay, what I need you to do next is to open Google Drive. So click on the triangle at the bottom of the screen. Enter that browser drive.google to my Google Drive. All files will be kept. Okay, and you can see my files. What I'd like to draw your attention to today and go to shared with. Take that I have shared with you. That folder is all the information for the course that you're taking. I share that folder with myself, so you instead see all the things that I need from students. Okay. Look at those folders. I have them stored here. So in your share, you have one of these folders, and you should have your class. And we're going to get AP language just for an example. And if you click the folder that you have there, draw attention to two that you're going to need. Screencasts and instructions And I'm going to put screencast in, so if you need to review it again, you can go in there. And then your week agenda. I'd like weekly work agenda and open up okay. You're going to keep you here. We have questions for the week. We also have what assignments you'll need to turn in. We also have things broken down day by day to kind of what to expect and what you need to turn in, stuff like that. So, and if you hear weird noises in the background, I is sleeping. She's kind of annoying, so hopefully not. Okay, I'm still waiting for this to load. Okay, so you see on here we have what to expect and any assignments you have due. And I'll have that for every day. If you're one of those people that look and see what you need to do, and if for some reason the Google Classroom isn't working, that web page isn't working, go into Google Drive and your shared document, see that. Okay, next thing I'd like you to do is go to our Google Classroom. For those of you, last year we used My Big Camera. Here we're going to use Google Classroom. I hope that works a little better than My Big Camera, because as you guys know that it had some issues with it. Okay, I'm going to have you go to Classroom, Google, and Casey has for you. When you go to Classroom, a little different. I have my classroom set up already. You're going to choose. You're going to enter the access code that Mrs. gave you on the sheet. Okay, so you enter that access code. Take a class that has on it. And today we have an introduction survey that's here. But the main priority is that you get to their username and password sheet on the screen. So you're going to scroll down. You're going to click on this link here, and how to do it, track of it, open this document. But I'm going to just open it now. And again, open. We had students not remembering their usernames and passwords. We're going to keep that from open up a new document. And you're going to need to store in your Google Drive. So we'll wait for this to load. You're going to go to File. And you're going to go to File. It's going to rename it. I want you to click your mouse in here. Get rid of copy up and keep my username and passwords. And you're just going to put name first there at the front. And what's going to happen is a new tab is going to with you. so you can copy and then put your username word in here. Okay, and that's how you make a copy of a document and how you. Okay, class. Okay, and you can scroll up here. You this, and basically all of the Google Classroom. And so anytime you need, you're going to use this. I'm really excited to be able to use this Google. It's going to work out. So anyways, guys, I hope this makes sense. You're going to spend the rest of the day doing what I just went over, and I hope